Good morning, guys. I'm not much of a morning person, so my voice is going to be like 2 octaves lower than normal. It'll go back up to the whiny nonsense here in just a little bit. As some of you guys know, I'm starting a Robinhood challenge here in a couple weeks, where I'll be starting with about $500 and trying to grow that as much as possible. I decided to make the starting amount $500 based on this. It's gonna be one of these sides on this poll I did on YouTube. The most voted for starting amount was 500 bucks, so that's where I'm starting. I just want to show you guys that it is possible to grow small accounts and show you how you can do it. If you're new and you haven't joined Robinhood yet and you want to support the channel, you can use the referral link I have in the description. It'll give you a free share of a stock, and it'll give me a free share of the stock, and I'd appreciate it if you want to anyway. Speaking of, someone did use my referral link from one of the other ones, so I figure I might open it in front of you guys just so you can see what it is. I'm using my phone to record this, so I don't get to do the fun thing where you scratch it off like a lottery ticket, but I could do it on my computer anyway. So thanks, Zachary, for this. Shout out to you, my man. Nice, I think this is the most common one, but I appreciate it. Thank you. It's SiriusXM. It's $5.86. Thanks, Zachary. I appreciate it. So this video, I'm just going to talk about what my rules are going to be and my strategy when we start doing that challenge. So I was initially wanting to do this challenge and show you guys how to grow small accounts with options, but I gave it a lot of thought, and I think this might be a little problematic, and here's why. Options, the way I trade them, I trade high probability trades. And with high probability trades, if they go against you, your losses can be pretty big. So this put credit spread on options profit calculator that I entered in here gives me a credit of $8. That's my max profit, and my max risk is $92. So my point is that even though there's a 10% chance that I could be wrong, it's possible that I could be wrong multiple times in a row. Even though it's a slim chance, it's still possible, and I could destroy a small account pretty fast. Or even worse, if my short leg gets assigned, I'll be down 100 bucks because the width of the strikes is 1 point. And I don't really want to risk that. So starting off, when we start here in a couple weeks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by swing trading. So just buying shares. I'm not going to touch options for a little bit. I'll show you guys how to swing trade. I'll maybe give you guys some tips on technical analysis and that kind of thing. Part of growing your account is contributing to it. There's such thing as compound interest. Your original investment, if you're growing it well, will continue to grow faster and faster, but you're only accelerating that by contributing pretty regularly. That's the kind of moral built in there, and an excuse for me to add $100 a month so that we can grow this a little quicker and start using options maybe around the $1,000 mark. If I see an opportunity to day trade, I might use options in that instance because I can use out of the money options that are really cheap and my risk is very well managed. This whole series is going to include like day trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, how to use options well, and how to just generally grow small accounts. People have bigger or even smaller accounts can tag along. It'll still be effective for those sizes. Hope you guys are excited. I am definitely excited. I can't wait to get going on this. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to be live streaming my Robinhood platform from open bell to closing bell each trading day. So that way at any point in time during normal trading hours, you can pop in and see what the balance is standing at currently. Thought it might be interesting for you guys to be able to just pop in whenever and see what the account balance is and see how we're doing. I thought I'd just update you guys on that. And if you want to tag along, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you'll be notified when this thing gets going. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.